In a dramatic turn of events, Jonathan Majors, the acclaimed actor known for his role as Kang in Marvel films, has found himself entangled in a real-life courtroom drama. The jury's verdict is in, and it's a game-changer for Majors' career. Stay tuned as we unpack the shocking details of his recent trial, the fallout from Marvel, and the potential consequences for the once rising star. If you're interested in Hollywood's twists and turns, click the subscribe button with notification bell. We have all the latest exclusive news and behind-the-scenes information about your favorite celebrities. Don't pass up this opportunity. U.S. actor Jonathan Majors, renowned for his role as Kang in the Marvel films, has been found guilty of assaulting his then-girlfriend, British choreographer Grace Jabbari. The verdict was delivered in a New York trial where Jabbari detailed the incident. The assault occurred during a car ride in New York when Grace Jabbari discovered a romantic text on Jonathan Majors' phone from another woman, which said, "Wish I was kissing you right now." In response to Jabbari taking the phone, Majors allegedly grabbed her, twisted her arm, and struck her in the head. Ms. Jabbari testified to feeling a hard blow across her head during the altercation. The physical struggle that ensued resulted in Jabbari suffering a fractured finger, bruising, a cut behind her ear, and intense pain. The 34-year-old actor could face up to a year in jail as a consequence of the guilty verdict. Furthermore, Majors has been dropped from starring roles in forthcoming Marvel projects due to the legal implications surrounding the assault. The case sheds light on the serious consequences of domestic violence, even for individuals in the public eye. A 6-person jury delivered a verdict on Monday in the assault trial for actor Jonathan Majors. The jury's decision was announced after 3-day deliberations. Jonathan Majors was found guilty by the jury on 2 counts of 4 domestic violence charges. The charges include assault by recklessly causing physical injury and harassment. Jonathan Majors showed minimal reaction as the verdict was read in court. Reporters noted that Majors pursed his lips and looked downward, but didn't provide any other visible reaction. In the aftermath of the guilty verdict, a spokesperson for Marvel stated that the studio will not proceed with Majors on future projects. This decision indicates the immediate professional consequences for Majors in the entertainment industry, due to the legal implications of the assault case. Despite finding Jonathan Majors guilty on 2 charges, the jury declined to convict him on charges of aggravated harassment and assault with intent to cause physical harm. The prosecution portrayed the assault as an outcome of Majors' attempts to exert control over his girlfriend through physical and emotional violence. To support their case, they presented voice recordings and text messages exchanged between the former couple. In one text from September 2022, Majors referred to himself as a monster and a horrible man, expressing a lack of capability for love while threatening to take his own life. These details shed light on the complex dynamics and emotional turmoil within the relationship. In an audio recording from September 2022, during an argument, Jonathan Majors told his then-girlfriend that she needed to imitate the behavior of Coretta Scott King and Michelle Obama, the wives of Martin Luther King and former President Barack Obama, respectively. He asserted that he was engaged in a significant endeavor, not only for himself but also for his culture and the world. Majors indicated that she would be required to make sacrifices for him, suggesting an expectation for her to conform to specific roles and behaviors. This audio recording provides insight into the dynamics of the relationship, highlighting Majors' expectations and the power dynamics at play. Jonathan Majors did not testify in court. His defense argued that he was the victim, contending that Grace Jabbari assaulted him in a jealous rage after discovering a text message on his phone. Majors had countersued Jabbari in June, alleging that she was the aggressor, but prosecutors chose not to charge her due to insufficient evidence. Sentencing is scheduled for February 6th, and new protection orders have been issued, mandating no contact between Majors and Jabbari. The legal proceedings revealed conflicting narratives about the events leading to the assault, with both parties claiming victimhood. Grace Jabbari's lawyer expressed her satisfaction with the verdict, stating that she was gratified to see justice served. The lawyer emphasized that Jabbari's truthful and public testimony, despite the evident pain of reliving traumatic events, should inspire other abused women to come forward. The statement suggests that the trial and the guilty verdict were seen as a form of validation for Jabbari, reinforcing the importance of survivors sharing their experiences. This acknowledgement of justice and encouragement for others to speak out reflects a broader societal dialogue on the impact and consequences of domestic violence. Jonathan Majors' legal team expressed gratitude that the jury did not find intent to cause physical injuries to Grace Jabbari. The lawyer, Priya Chaudhry, conveyed Majors' thanks to God, family, friends, and fans for support during the challenging 8 months. Despite the guilty verdict, the statement reflects Majors' continued faith in the legal process and his anticipation of clearing his name in the future. This stance suggests that Majors and his legal team may pursue further legal actions or appeals to challenge aspects of the verdict and maintain his innocence. Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg, responsible for bringing criminal charges against Jonathan Majors, commented on the verdict, noting that the psychological and emotional abuses inflicted by the movie star are unfortunately prevalent in many intimate partner violence cases. This statement underscores the broader issues of such abuses in relationships. Grace Jabbari, the victim, initially met Majors 2 years before the incident on the set of Ant-Man and the Wasp, where she served as a movement coach. This context adds a layer to their relationship, emphasizing the intersection of personal and professional dynamics. Following Jonathan Majors' arrest, Marvel made significant changes to its film release schedule. The release of Avengers: The Kang Dynasty, where Majors was set to play the lead villain, was delayed until 2026. This decision reflects the studio's response to the legal situation and the need to rework the film without Majors. The fate of his role in the subsequent film Avengers: Secret Wars remains uncertain. Marvel Studios has not clarified whether they will recast the character or alter the storyline. The delay in these releases marks a significant impact on Majors' career within the Marvel Cinematic Universe. In response to Jonathan Majors' assault conviction, Marvel has taken significant actions. The studio hired the creator of Loki to rework the film initially titled The Kang Dynasty, now tentatively named Avengers 5. Additionally, another film, Magazine Dreams, initially considered a potential Oscar contender, had its release postponed as well. The allegations against Majors had a subsequent impact on his career and the projects he was associated with, highlighting the consequences of legal issues for individuals in the entertainment industry. Beyond the film industry, the U.S. Army removed Majors, who also starred in Creed 3, from a major advertising campaign in light of the assault allegations. These consequences underscore the broader repercussions on Majors' career and public image. Also, Jonathan Majors' talent agency Entertainment 360 decided to drop him from their client list. As for his MCU role as Kang the Conqueror, Marvel Studios still haven't publicly stated what will happen to his character, but Majors is no longer going to play him for sure. Among the rumors, there is a possibility that they will make an announcement within the next month. Jonathan Majors, known for his breakout role in The Last Black Man in San Francisco, experienced a flourishing career with notable appearances in The Harder They Fall on Netflix and Spike Lee's Da 5 Bloods. His performance in HBO's Lovecraft Country earned him an Emmy nomination. However, his trajectory faced a setback as he played an antagonist in Creed 3, and the release of Magazine Dreams, a potential Oscar contender, was delayed due to his legal troubles. Despite prior acclaim and Oscar buzz for his role in Magazine Dreams, Majors' career now faces challenges following the assault conviction. What a roller coaster! As we conclude the chapter on Jonathan Majors' courtroom saga, we'll be keeping a close eye on this unfolding drama in the coming months. Stay connected with us for more Hollywood buzz, exclusive updates, and the latest on your favorite stars. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of entertainment, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Your support fuels our passion for delivering gripping stories straight to your screen.